Have you ever worked on a big project that you finished just seconds before the deadline? It is a stressful feeling, isn't it? Today, we are learning a perfect phrase for that situation, down to the wire. Imagine you have an important homework assignment due at 5 p.m. It is 4:55 p.m. and you are still writing the last sentence. That creates a feeling of suspense and pressure. Understanding the idiom, down to the wire, will help you describe these intense moments vividly. It is a very common phrase in movies, sports, and business. Let's hear a funny story. My friend Sarah heard her boss say, "This project is going down to the wire." Sarah looked at the computer cables on the floor. She thought the project had a problem with the electricity. She started checking all the wires under the desks. Her boss laughed and said, "No, Sarah. It means we are running out of time." So, what does down to the wire actually mean? It means something is not decided until the very last moment. It often implies a situation full of suspense. This phrase comes from horse racing in the 19th century. Back then, a wire was hung across the finish line to help judges see which horse won close races. Now, let's see the correct usage. Imagine a soccer game. The score is tied 1-1. There is only 1 minute left on the clock. Both teams are trying hard to score. The fans are cheering loudly. The result of the game will be decided in the final seconds. This game is going down to the wire. Here are some example sentences. First, the election results went down to the wire. This means the winner was not known until the very end of counting votes. Second, we are working down to the wire to finish this report. This means we are working until the deadline arrives. To remember this, close your eyes and picture a race. Imagine the runners leaning forward to touch the finish line wire first. That thin wire is the deadline. Here is a fun fact. Before modern cameras, that wire at the finish line was the only way to judge the winner accurately. Today, we use photo finish, but down to the wire is still very popular. Let's look at related sayings. A similar idiom is at the 11th hour. This also means at the last possible moment. For example, he changed his mind at the 11th hour. Another similar one is by the skin of your teeth. This means you just barely succeeded. I passed the test by the skin of my teeth. An opposite phrase would be ahead of time or in advance. If you finish early, you are not going down to the wire. You are prepared and relaxed. A common mistake is making the word wire plural. Do not say down to the wires. There is only one finish line wire. So, always say down to the wire, singular. Now, let's take a quiz. When is it appropriate to use down to the wire? A. When you are early. B. When you are relaxed. C. When the outcome is uncertain until the end. Think about it. The correct answer is C. It is used when the result is not known until the very last moment. To recap, down to the wire describes a situation full of suspense where the result is decided at the very end. Use it for deadlines, sports, or competitions. Now it's your turn. Share a time when you went down to the wire in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe or support us with super thanks. See you in the next video.